In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove all effects in CapCut quickly and easily. If you've added an effect to your edit and want to get back to a clean timeline, this tutorial will walk you through the simple steps to delete it without affecting your main video clips. This is a great skill to know whether you're cleaning up a project, fixing a mistake, or just removing an effect that no longer fits your edit. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your project in CapCut and go to your timeline. You want to look closely at the layers above your video clips because that is where CapCut places effects. Effects usually appear as a separate effect track sitting above the main footage, so don't confuse it with your video clip itself. Once you locate the specific effect layer you want to remove, tap it if you're on mobile, or click it if you're on desktop. When you select the effect track, it should become highlighted so you know it's active. This step is important because CapCut only lets you delete the effect once it has been selected properly. After the effect track is selected, look for the delete button. On mobile, this may appear as a trash icon or a delete option in the toolbar. On desktop, it may be a delete key on your keyboard or a trash icon in the editing controls. Click delete and the effect will be removed from that section of your timeline. If you have multiple effects you want to remove, repeat the same process for each one. Find the effect layer, select it, and delete it. Be careful not to select your main video clip by accident, because that could remove footage instead of the effect. If you are working on a longer edit, take a moment to zoom in on the timeline so you can clearly see which layer is the effect track and which layer is your actual video. This makes it much easier to clean up your project safely. And that's it. Once you delete the effect track, it's gone from your edit and your video will play without that effect applied. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more quick CapCut tutorials, editing tips, and simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.